Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News. Our good friend Charlene Patton from the Kansas Soybean Commission joining us. And this month we've been doing special recipes to help get the kids in the kitchen this summer. And we've had some amazing, delicious treats, and that makes kids excited anyway. And we've been giving them something to do. And you've got something else that's very special today.
Muffins are a great recipe because it doesn't require a lot of mixing. In fact, you don't want to mix them too much to keep them nice and tender and not have all those tunnels in them. And we have blueberries that are really great this time of year. This is a blueberry loaded muffin, and you will love it. It will melt in your mouth. It is so good. We're both going to be mixing here to get this done. We've got the flour already in here. You're going to add the granulated sugar, and then you've got baking powder, baking soda, and salt that you're going to add in there and whisk together.
Okay.
I have soy sour cream in here. I am going to add my egg to this, and I've got my vegetable oil I'm going to add, 1/4 cup of that. So, some vanilla here. There we go. And I'll start mixing that together here. That'll stir that, our liquid. And usually with a muffin mixture, you have two bowls. You'll have your liquid and you'll have your dry ingredients. And that's what makes it easy to put the muffins together, especially for kids. And then I have 1/4 cup there of our soy beverage that we'll add that in. So we'll mix that together. Have you got yours mixed?
I think so.
Great, that looks perfect. So you can add that into this mixture.
Okay.
Oh, perfect. And before I mix it very much, I'm going to let you go ahead and add our blueberries. I think we have 1.5 cups of blueberries, and look how big and plump those are.
Look at those blueberries.
Beautiful this time of year. And I add them now because it kind of coats them, and that separates them there in our batter and makes it good. So now let the kids mix that together, and tell them that you only want to mix till you don't see any dry ingredients, because again, we don't want to overmix our brownies. And then you mentioned you have a little guy that's 6 at your house. A job for him would be to put the paper liners in all these little cups.
Now he could do that.
Yeah. And you know what? Another job would be to count and see how many that we have. I like to use sometimes the jumbo ones, because that way, I tell you, you don't have to worry about overfilling them. And we're going to have a topping on here that we're going to put. I like to use this because this portions them out and makes it easy for kids or mom or anybody to put these in there. But then we have a wonderful crumb topping that goes on them before they go in the oven. Easy to do, and then bake them at let me see, what temperature do we say?
Let's see.
We've done so many recipes.
I know, we've had so many this month.
I'm trying to think, is it
these
375?
375.
375 for 20 to 25 minutes. And look how wonderful they come out.
They are amazing looking.
They are so moist. Use a wooden pick to make sure that they're done. But they make 12 muffins, and they would be great for a snack for kids. And again, we'll remind everyone, the kids should wash their hands before they get started.
Absolutely.
And then wanted to mention that they need to help with cleanup. Let's get them started, that they should help with dishes. Do them while it's baking, and then when things come out, everybody gets to taste and
they'll
see
work
what's
up that
going.
hunger a bit
That's
too
right.
while they're cleaning
That's
up.
right.
So
good incentive.
Absolutely. Well, Charlene, thank you so much. And of course, you can find this recipe and all the others this month on our website at KOAMnewsnow.com. And you can also contact the Kansas Soybean Commission.
That's right. They can call our 800 number, 877-KS-SOYBEAN, or kansassoybeans.org.
All right, Charlene, thank you so much. We will be back with more of the KOAM Morning News right after this.